This is a people's impeachment against... Take three. Okay. 1, 2, 3. This is a people's impeachment complaint against incumbent President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. for culpable violation of the Constitution, betrayal of public trust, the graft and corruption, and other high crimes.
Salamat po. Okay.
Manong Chavit Singson, Atty. Respicio, Atty. Topacio, nag-file na po ng impeachment laban kay Bangag. Ito na po, panoorin po natin. Naku po.
Yeah, pare. Hala ka, BBM. Magpa-file na kami ng impeachment laban sa'yo. Andito kami ngayon sa House of Representatives kasama ang mga bigating politiko ng Pilipinas. Kasama si Chavit, Mike Defensor, si Atty. Topacio, at papatanggal namin ng ulo ng korupsyon dito sa ating bansa. Panoorin nyo siya. Andyan yung media at ngayon ay magpa-file kami ng impeachment laban kay BBM. Yeah, pare.
Kasama yung siya. Yung complaint, yung complaint.
Yan na, Bongbong Marcos. Naku, Bongbong Marcos, mag-diaper ka. Bangag, bumaba ka na dyan para hindi ka naman pahiya. Naku po, yan ang sinasabi natin. Naku po. Political ano yan, ha?
Alright, nandito na kami sa loob ng Secretary General's Office ng House of Representatives. Sana tanggapin ang aming complaint dahil required siya ng rules ng House of Representatives na tanggapin ang complaint for impeachment laban sa Presidente ng Pilipinas. Yeah, buddy.
Yes,
Alright, ang ating
Kumpanyero,
Head Counsel,
tama.
Attorney Manny.
yeah.
At nakita ninyo sa inyong harap si Mike Defensor, si dating Congressman Paras, nasa ating likod si Atty. Topacio.
Ito rin si Cathy.
Cathy Binek, yeah, buddy. Alright. Alright, nandito na tayo. Dapat nilang
Naku
tanggapin
po.
ang complaint dahil required yan ng batas. Sana bumalik na si Sec dyan mula sa kanyang lunch. At kasama natin si Atty. Topacio dito sa likod yan ng ating...
Naku, yan ang sinasabi natin.
Ito si Cobb Chavit. Yeah, buddy.
Dito yan sa loob, please.
Naku po. Bongbong! Bongbong! Na-hospital na si Bongbong. Nasa ICU ata eh. Na-hospital si Bongbong. Na-hospital si Bongbong.
Na magtatanggal ng ulo ng korupsyon sa...
Yun.
Kasama ang mga bigating politiko ng ating bansa si Chavit, dating Congressman na Mr. Paras, Atty. Ferdy Topacio, mga bigating general, Mike Defensor, yeah, buddy. Alright.
Teaser kasi. Original.
At siguro ano ka? Oo nga.
Then, yung affidavits natin. And,
Naku po. Naku po, yan na, Bongbong.
Yung dito na yung mga tao nun, puta ka nga, wala makita matira. Ulus project.
Hindi, mas madami ka pang hawak.
Marami.
Hindi, ito na yung mga copies. Ilang peso?
Rob, ito yung evidence natin.
Kanina, naunang nag-file yung Makabayan Block ng kanilang impeachment complaint kaso nga lang hindi tinanggap dahil daw wala si Sec Jen dito. Pero sir, tapos na ang lunch break. Bumalik ka na dito at tanggapin mo na ang aming complaint. Hindi mo pwedeng tanggihan ng complaint namin dahil ministerial duty mo yan. Wala kang discretion na mag-decline na tumanggap ng aming complaint. At kung wala ka man dito sa office at hindi ka pa tapos mag-lunch, dapat meron kang tauhan na papalit sa'yo na tumanggap. Hindi pwede. Dinidiskartehan mo kami.
Dumidiskarte. Si ano, yung... Ano dyan?
General Garcia, one of the lead counsels, Attorney Manny Luna, one of the complainants, Cathy. All right.
Tawagan mo agad importante sa ano.
Annex A yung endorsement. Annex B is the...
Complainants as well, man. Complainant. Yep, one of the complainants.
Samahan natin.
Yeah, buddy. All right.
Sa plastic.
At ako tinatawag.
Di ba? So, Annex A...
Mukhang tatanggapin ang complaint natin, ha? Tatanggapin kayang complaint natin. Hindi katulad ng ginawa nila sa Makabayan Block kaninang umaga. na hindi nila tinanggap yung complaint dahil wala daw si Sec Jen. Tamang-tamang timing natin, sana tapos na ang kanyang lunch at tatanggapin na nila ang ating complaint. Hindi pwedeng hindi tanggapin ang ating complaint dahil kapag hindi tinanggap ngayong araw na ito, ang gagawin nila ay i-forestall nila ang complaint na to at pagbibigyan nila, palusutin nila yung walang kwentang complaint na ipinasa earlier. Sabi ng Supreme Court, hindi nila pwedeng sabihin na merong prior complaint na ipinasa na para tanggihan ng aming complaint dahil ang complaint ay initiated lamang kapag na-refer na sa committee ang complaint, hindi pa na-refer sa committee. Magko-convene pa lang ang Congress, House of Representatives sa Monday. At pwede pa nilang tanggapin ang aming complaint. At dapat nilang tanggapin ang aming complaint dahil kung hindi tinutupad ng Secretary General ang kanyang trabaho. Tulad ng hindi niya pagtupad kaninang umaga sa trabaho niya, sa pagtanggi ng pagtanggap niya ng complaint ng Makabayang Block. Yeperi. Tingnan natin kung balik na from lunch, Secretary General. Alright.
Kaya pati assist.
Okay.
Yung coffee, tanggalin ng coffee, mabasa yung papel. It's dangerous.
Ito yung pinaka-substantive na complaint na ipinasa so far dahil ito ang pinaghirapan ng mga bigating mga legal minds and politicians sa Pilipinas. Hindi katulad ng mga complaint na unang ipinasa na 4 pages lamang at halata lamang na ginawa para i-forestall yung mga substantive complaint na katulad nito.
It's a 44-page complaint
Yep, buddy.
with thousands of annexes.
Yep. Dahil kapag hindi nila pinalusot ito at ang pinalusot lang nila ay yung walang kwentang 4-page complaint, ibig sabihin, dinidiskartehan tayo ng mga loko-lokong ito.
In other words, alam na this.
Yeah. We have the best lawyers and best folks and politicians dito sa ating group. At hindi nila pwedeng tanggihan, katulad ng pagtanggi nila ng Makabayan Block complaints kaninang umaga. So Secretary General, finish your lunch and come and receive our complaint. Please. Ministerial duty po yan. Hindi po yan discretionary. Required po yan sa rules ng House of Representatives na tanggapin ang aming complaint.
Yes, sir.
On our side,
Hello everyone. Say hi sa ating 2,500 viewers na live. Yeah, buddy! Alright. The historic complaint being filed dito sa Secretary General's office ng House of Representatives against sa ulo ng korupsyon ng Pilipinas.
Kasi dati, si Mikey, di ba nung pandemic, di ba? Oo. Nanulo tayo lagi sa okay kasi umiikot tayo. Oo, bilaan.
Ayun, wala na, utilize this. Sige na.
Sure.
Dito ka.
Alright. Go ahead, boss.
Wait, before we start, and I do understand, could we have a moment lang na, wag muna tayo mag-record para...
Pwede. This is a public office.
Yeah. Sige, Tony, go ahead. Sir, pursuant to the people ahead of you, the Secretary General is not around, not authorized to receive.
It is the office of the Secretary General.
how about the
The
deputy?
Secretary General.
Where's the deputy? Deputy Secretary.
Sir, I'm the Executive Director. I am the next in line.
Yes.
So you should receive. You should receive.
In the case of Bautista impeachment, it's the deputy will receive.
Yes.
Respectfully. Okay, I'm not here to argue. I don't wish to.
Kakampi natin to.
Yes.
I am just relaying my position. I am not.
No, attorney, ano lang,
It's not an instruction. It is. I am not
In the position to receive.
receive it.
But in the case of impeachment of former COMELEC Chairman Bautista, whom we impeached, it was the deputy
Yes.
who received our impeachment
The next in line,
complaint
the
in
next
2017.
Yes, the next in line.
There is already a precedence in the House.
I would have to say
Please check the records.
I am not arguing. Sir.
Okay.
I'm not arguing.
Thank you.
I am not even raising my voice. Sir.
Thank you.
I am just manifesting.
Okay.
I am not authorized to receive it.
Attorney,
My question is,
Wow.
for the record.
Ako, sir, I'm just saying, I'm not arguing, sir.
No, it's okay.
Wow. What's your...
attorney, question lang. Can it be received ministerially lang? Kahit not you, but
Because it's
someone?
ministerial.
No, sir.
No one is allowed.
Again, the previous have tried.
Okay.
I have nicely.
But why did you receive the first one?
No, I have not received
Hindi, bakit na? What is the legal basis?
Wala naman dito.
We're not arguing.
which one, sir?
Merong first impeachment prosecution na nandun na sa office. Kay Attorney Jesus.
Ay, she was here, sir.
Okay.
So, ibig mo sabihin, by the simple expedient of not being here, hindi kayo pwede mag-receive? Is that your stand?
Sir, I'm just saying.
I'm not authorized.
I'm not arguing, I'm asking you. I want an answer.
I'm just manifesting. I do not have the authority to receive.
Attorney,
What is your
even
basis?
the office ka na.
Yes, Yes, if I cannot, and pababa din, wala din.
Wala din. Okay,
What is your basis? As a lawyer, both lawyers, you have to tell me what your legal authority
Yeah, buddy.
Sir, I'm just manifesting. And
Wow.
that's all.
Up to what level yung authority? Sa office of the section.
Can you assure us na wala kayong gagawin to block our filing when we return on Monday? Like
Pag nandito na yan, sige.
impeachment complaint that you already received.
Obviously, sir, that is not within my... it's not my office, sir.
Hindi, ang tanong lang, so number one, you're not authorized. Number two, the office is not authorized. Number three, sabi mo si Attorney De Jesus was allowed because nandito si Secretary Garfield. Okay, and then ang tinatanong ni Attorney lang is on what basis? Kasi constitutionally the office, not the person. So, ang
Nako.
authority na tinatanong ni Congressman Jing, SecGen ba ang may instruction?
No.
Ano ang basis
Hindi
nyo?
pwede yung ginagawa niyo.
Naku po.
What is your basis?
You tell us your basis.
Sandali lang.
Tinatanong namin.
For the record, for the record.
Okay,
For the record.
wait, number one, let's not badger people. I'm not here.
Sorry if you feel that way. That wasn't meant to.
We don't,
Just answer the question para hindi ka mabadger. If you're
Ganito
not
kasi.
answering the question, then you have answers because we're citizens. We're paying your salary.
Ganyan talaga.
We're paying your salary, so you answer us.
For the meantime, I'm making a proper, even if you don't receive, by law we can proper the complaint and all the annexes, and that is legal. If you will not receive, that is deemed legally received by law.
we tendered it
Tender.
to you.
We are proffering and tendering it
Our
in
complaint.
under and by virtue of the Constitution.
Let me say, today is 2:18
Okay, si Attorney-
in the afternoon
si Attorney
of
naman.
22nd
I
January.
acknowledge the time is 2:11.
Yes.
Oh, sige, 2:11. Okay, sige.
Para kalma lang tayo, si Attorney naman is here to explain to us. Attorney, maybe
Yes, explain it to us right now.
I will.
Upo muna kayo tayo.
Upo muna tayo.
Kaya sabi ko baka.
Ako muna tayo.
Para hindi tayo parang tense dito sa
Yes. Yeah.
Attorney, please sit down here.
I note your manifestation, sir. I note your manifestation.
But going back, Banyero, to my original question, what is your legal authority in saying that you are not authorized to receive? We want to know. We are
It is
curious.
a statement of fact na I am not authorized.
So you are saying that based on your own conclusion of what the law says, you are not authorized. Is that what you're telling this fellow lawyer?
It's not in the law. It's
Kaya
against the
nga.
law. It's against the law.
Is that what you're saying?
Okay lang, sandali So sinasabi na ni Attorney I'm not authorized. Is there an instruction, Attorney? No.
So that-
walang instruction from...
Okay, going to my next question.
Okay.
Since there is no instruction, you're saying that you cannot receive the complaint is based on your conclusion of the what the law says.
Wait, sir.
Pakalit naman, sir.
These questions, what are they for?
We want to know because we are citizens. We are paying
And
your
this is a
salary.
public office.
You are a public official.
One by one.
Under the Constitution, very clear that if there's an impeachment complaint and duly endorsed by
Sige, para maliwanag na I refuse to be covered by any media, recording, or anything.
Ano, this is public. Wala yan sa...
Hindi pwede.
This is a public office.
Sige,
public office.
Hindi to private conversation pare ko.
For manifestation's sake,
Okay.
Okay.
I just manifest.
Okay,
I
okay.
have not consented to any recording or broadcasting of any conversation here, as I don't.
Okay.
Our lawyer and co-complainant, Attorney Ferdy Topacio, will tender the complaint.
Okay.
Hindi, sandali lang, for the record. We'll tender the complaint in accordance with the Constitution.
I note for the proper.
That's kanina yun, di ba?
I note. Yes, sir. I note for the proper. I said no. Para let's go through the motion.
Okay.
I said no.
Yes.
Para at least po.
Nonetheless, we are tendering
Attorney, just to be to be candid, syempre, because we understand na hindi ka naman yung authorized, but of course, as a group, we will also take legal steps. That's why may mga ganito lang motions. We understand na. So, thank you.
Wala pong sama ng loob. If that is what I understand.
So, in fact, we feel sorry that you have to take the
We
form
thank you
this
for
meeting.
receiving us. So, maraming salamat. Kung may documents,
Yes.
Establish ko lang. It's 2/11/22 January na tinender namin sa iyo yung aming
Para
verified.
i-completein ko na rin po.
Okay.
It was an attempt to
No, it's not an attempt. We tender to you.
We tender to you.
Para i-completein ko na nga.
galing na sa kanya.
Sige, let
You
him...
were here
To tender.
I refused.
That's legal.
And you left a copy here in the office. You could actually leave it there. Para okay na po tayo.
Pwede ba ma-receive ba?
Is that satisfactory?
Okay na.
Okay,
Yes, thank you.
This
Thank
is
you.
what I
Thank you.
propose. Di ba office, di ba office hours nyo hanggang alas 5?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, okay. Since wala si Cheloy dito, hihintayin namin na dumating siya ulit.
Yeah, buddy.
Ako hintayin ko. I'll stay here until 7.
Saan ba si Checo? Tanungin mo ko sa
We will wait
Out of the country.
until
Anyway, thank you for that. Alam mo naman natin.
where is the SecGen? Where is the SecGen?
Asan ang section? For the
Where's the
record.
SecGen? Where's the SecGen?
For the record.
Taiwan. And in her absence, who is the acting SecGen? Sandali. For the record. Who is?
Isa-isa lang.
It's you. It's you.
There is no acting secretary.
Siya ang ano.
Who's the second in
But you
command?
are second in command.
In this office, I am the executive.
Nonetheless, we are tendering and proffering our original complaint and the annexes for and under and by virtue of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines.
Kaya kanina ko pa sinasabi, baka meron kayong binabiolate na civil service regulation. Kasi you're supposed to be, pagka wala dito yung
Automatic.
yung
May officer in charge.
merong papalit, merong susunod.
Automatic.
Secondly, Panyero.
Wala.
Secondly, Panyero.
Bakit si Garapin? Nagano na naman, pumunta ng Taiwan.
Hindi, kung wala siya, the office is here.
Okay. We have already, di ba? We've established yung, already. Given it. Si attorney naman was kind enough to state yung legal basis. So, okay na tayo. Ha?
Hindi, gusto ko lang tanong pa kay
Ay, kasi dito si attorney, ha? Governor Chavit.
Sir, iikot ako.
Okay, Governor
Ako
Chavit.
iikot, because...
Isa-isa para ano. Si Admiral Carlos. Carlos. Kumusta kayo? Governor Chavit. Okay, si Secretary Menes Peron. Attorney Topacio. Hindi ikaw. Yung mas gwapo. Kasi Dina. And former Congressman G. Para.
No introduction necessary.
Of course, Attorney Manny Luna, Attorney General
Former
Garcia.
Commissioner, Presidential Anti-Corruption
Pero,
And, sorry, Attorney D. Harold Respicio, Vice Mayor.
Complainant as well, sir.
Thank you, Attorney.
pero, Congressman Mike, di ba mayroong executive order that since there is a one China policy, restricted ang travel ng public officials natin to Taiwan?
Ibang topic na yan. Ibang topic na yan.
Hindi yan, hindi.
For the record.
For the record. So, because, hindi yan naging relevant yun, because the reason for the absence of the Secretary General is that she traveled to Taiwan. And under the one China policy, restricted government officials, even on private visits, restricted to Taiwan under the one China policy. May exceptions, of course, but tingnan natin.
Thank you. Okay lang. We understand.
So ano na ngayon?
And see you. Pwede don't walk na rin yun.
Okay.
Ano na nangyari?
Yun nga. Anyway, binigyan naman ni attorney yung...
Enter na tayo. That's enough. That's the legal requirement.
Tira, manong? Let's go.
Iwan naman natin.
Bigyan na lang namin.
Ay, Kong.
No question. Thank you.
Attorney, any quick statements, sir? 5K nanonood sa live ngayon? Alright. Kung Mike, for the 5,000 watching live, anong statement natin?
Well, una sa lahat, si attorney was kind enough to come here and sabihin niya na hindi niya kaya tanggapin. So, ito yung opisina nito kasi hindi naman tao eh. Ba't na office? Sa saligang batas, kailangan niya tanggapin talaga. And ito papakita lang na talagang yung na impeachment ay kalokohan at gusto nilang baguhin ang ating proseso ng saligang batas sa impeachment. Ito lang ang pagkakataon ng tao magreklamo, hindi ba pinayagan?
Attorney Topacio, any statement?
I give my full assent to the statement of Congressman Mike Defensor na talagang sinisigil yung karapatan ng mga taong bayan na sila ay magreklamo. Tara!
Congressman Paras, ano po ang statement natin sa kanilang pag-refuse ng ating complaint?
Well, unang-una, wala daw yung SecGen. Nasa Taiwan daw. Unang-una, yung SecGen, she's violating the one China policy. Kasi dati siya doon na head ng NECO. What's your business there? When she's supposed to work here to receive our complaint. So, dapat matanggal yan si Garapil. Tawag ko nga dyan, Garapal eh.
Alright, we're just exiting the office of the Secretary General and heading sa ating media para sa ating press group. Everybody. Forward, you can see former Secretary Defensor and Governor Chavit heading towards the exits. Having tendered the complaint dito sa office of the Secretary General na tumanggi, natanggapin ng complaint laban kay BBM impeachment. Yeah, buddy. Well, dapat required yung deputy na tumanggap kung absent yung Secretary General, right? Dahil paraan nila yan para mapalusot yung 4 pages na walang kwenta na na-file nung Monday. Para pigilan ang substantive na complaint na ipa-file laban kay BBM.
May table na lang, sir. May table na lang.
Yeah, buddy.
May mga lima.
Yes, boss. Kasama ko sa complainant pero sila ang lead. Taga-cover ako ngayon. Governor Chavit, ano yung masasabi mo sa nangyari kanina sa loob? Magkakasama tayo doon. Ano masasabi natin sa 5K followers natin? Na live. Ano
Maintindihan nangyari sa loob. Basta ako, bagong dating lang, galing ako sa Ilocos Norte, producer ni President Marcos. Walang matinong na project, puro bus project at puro siya nagsabi, kaya kayo, puro pampak at guli-guli. Tama siya sa Ilocos Norte. Wala akong makita. Kagaling ko lang doon. Puro pampak at bus project. Nasa Ilocos Norte, wala probinsya niya. Distrito ni Sandro. Saka si Barba. Wala kayong makita. Kagaling ko lang doon. So, next talk. Kung yung maliwanag na nalulong wala tayo. Yun ang maliwanag na maliwanag. Hindi na ito physical. Siya nagsabi, pampak. Siya nagsabi, he built 5,000 or 5,500 flood control project. Wala. Mag-isang pumisa. So, maliwanag sa president.
Yung luggage na lang yung luggage.
Picture.
O yung una mo, tinanggal, tapos ano nangyari? Sino unang nagsasalita na? Wait lang sir, wait lang po. Guys.
So, kaninang umaga,
Eh, mga mic lang sir, wait lang sir. Mic, defensor. Mic. Kalipat, yan.
Mike, pa-explain din ng ribbon. Impeach.
Boy, paliwanag muna natin yung pag-pilot ba, ano nangyari?
kaninang umaga, nagkaroon kami ng pag-uusap ng mga kasama sa Makabayan Block na banggit na sa amin na opisyal na hindi tinanggap yung kanilang impeachment complaint. Kaya kami may prepared statement na kami tungkol dito sa ginawa. Dahil na-anticipate na namin na talaga magkakaproblema sa mismo pag-file namin. At katulad nga na nangyari, at na-anticipate namin, gano'n nga. So if I will be allowed to read the statement, to be clear, distribute na lang siguro. The refusal of the Office of the Secretary General of the House of Representatives to accept the impeachment complaint is a clear violation of both the rules of the House and the 1987 Philippine Constitution. Under the Constitution, the House of Representatives has the sole power to initiate impeachment proceedings. The rules of the House explicitly provide a ministerial duty for the Office of the Secretary General to receive and record impeachment complaints that are duly filed. There is no discretion given to the Secretary General to reject, screen, delay, or block such filings. By refusing to accept the complaint, the office effectively usurps the constitutional authority of the House itself and denies the Filipino people their only lawful mechanism to raise grievances against a sitting president. If I may repeat that, by refusing, it denies the Filipino people their only lawful mechanism to raise grievances against a sitting president. Impeachment is not a political favor. It is a constitutional right. It is the only formal process through which citizens, through their representatives, can seek accountability from the highest official of the land. To block this process is not merely procedural error. It is a constitutional violation, an obstruction of a lawful remedy, and a direct assault on the people's right to petition government for redress of grievances. The House of Representatives exists to serve the people, not to shield those in power from scrutiny. The rules are clear, the Constitution is clear, the duty is clear, and no office has the authority to silence the people's voice. Maraming salamat po at magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. If I may distribute this.
Sir, question.
Madagdag ko lang. Yung impeachment complaint is actually a people's complaint. Yun lang. So, hindi kailangan pigilan ang reklamo ng taong bayan. It's a people's complaint. It's a constitutional process na nasa constitution natin na pinoprovide para sa ating lahat.
So, ano naman, wala na akong idadagdag. Okay din.
Ano nga masasabi niyo hindi tinanggap yung impeachment complaint? Hindi tinanggap.
Hindi, yun nga, sa hindi pagtanggap nila, it is not only a violation of the rules, but of course of the Constitution. At ang mas mahalaga, ito lang kasi ang paraan ng taong bayan na magreklamo sa nakaupong Pangulo. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-file sa ombudsman, hindi ka pwedeng mag-file sa korte. Sa ginawa nilang to, parang tinatanggal nila yung karapatan ng taong bayan na magkaroon ng maayos, legal na pagreklamo doon sa nakikitang problema sa nakaupong presidente.
Mike, ginawa nyo rin ba yung ginawa ng Makabayan kanina na nag-iwan kayo ng kopya ng complaint sa Office of the SecGen?
Hindi.
Nag-iwan kami. Wait. Nag-iwan kami, pero hindi nila tinanggap. We attempted, and we have recorded every possible conversation we had with...
So as a copy of your complaint is not inside the Office of the SecGen?
Hindi nila tinanggap.
Sir, what is the grounds for impeachment and for what?
We will be discussing this at another time. Ang tingin namin, ang dapat natin pag-usapan ngayon, yung mismong, kasi yung sa maraming pagkakataon sa Korte Suprema, may decision na about impeachment complaints. In fact, the recent decision was on the Vice President. At mabigat itong hindi pagtanggap, hindi namin maintindihan kasi hindi naman si Secretary General Cheloy ang sinasabi ng saligang batas. Ang sinasabi ng saligang batas, yung opisina. Dapat i-receive nila yun.
Sir, but very briefly, betrayal of public trust po ba ito? Paglabag sa konstitusyon?
Marami. Sa hindi matanggap, please.
Sino po complainant?
Our...
Sir, ipapawi na. Parang kakantay. Sino yung ano? Parang